The violent storm that hit the Cleveland area caused extensive damage, with wind gusts of up to 86 miles per hour and heavy rainfall resulting in significant outages in the region. The storm left hundreds of thousands of homes without power in northeast Ohio, especially in areas around Cleveland. The National Weather Service issued multiple tornado warnings during the storm, covering southwest Cuyahoga County, northeast Lorain County, and parts of Cuyahoga County as the storm moved. Brian Mitchell, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service, reported that wind monitors recorded gusts of up to 86 miles per hour east of Burke Lakefront Airport, 74 miles per hour in Fairport Harbor, and 67 miles per hour in Cleveland near Edgewater Park. The rain was also heavy, with rain gauges recording 2.45 inches in Mentor, 2.53 inches east of Perry, and 3.28 inches in Ashtabula County. The combination of strong wind and rain caused downed trees and power lines, resulting in extensive power outages. About 423,000 FirstEnergy customers were without power, including approximately 224,000 in Cuyahoga County. Cleveland Hopkins International Airport experienced sporadic power outages lasting about 90 minutes, according to Michelle Dinia, an airport spokeswoman. Additionally, a fallen tree blocked the southbound lanes of Interstate 77 north of Harvard Avenue, as reported by Matt Bruning, spokesman for the Ohio Department of Transportation. The storm left a trail of destruction, and recovery is underway, with crews working to restore power and clean up affected areas. The community and authorities continue to deal with the effects of this powerful storm as services are restored and normalcy resumes.